This is the brand new V1 Pro. The first thing we notice is the new SU1 in front of the V1 Pro. It's a flash you can use as a fill light for portraits. The SU1 can be attached and removed very easily. Within the sub-menu you can adjust the power of the sub-flash. You can also turn it on and off. They have created a new external power supply access, where you can connect, for example, a Pro Pack. Also new on the V1 Pro is the mechanical switch on the outside of the housing. This allows you to switch very fast between manual and TTL mode. One of the upgrades is heat processing. Now you can shoot for a longer period of time without an overheated flash. This will give you the possibility for 100 flashes in a row at full power, even using a power pack. The Sony versions of the new V1 Pro are equipped with a metal hotshoe. The older versions had a plastic hotshoe, which broke more easily. You can now charge your V1 batteries anywhere without using a separate charger. You can connect your USB-C cable, for example, directly to a car charger or a power bank. The housing of the batteries is still the same, so you can use the batteries of the V1 Pro in the V1 and vice versa. So what do you think of the new V1 Pro? Let us know in the comments down below.